Hi! You're supposed to have allowed me to knock this girl first. Now, no knocking. She has been collecting money from me. I'm supposed to knock her first. This wife of mine came here with her witchcraft to spoil everything for me. You know, since I visit this particular angle, oh, boom, 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 up and down.
Tell me, how have you been?
I've been okay.
This place is so cool and nice.
One of my useless friends that brought me here the day before yesterday.
So you have useless friends?
According to you people, so much.
Honestly, this place is calm.
Do you know
Lucky. So this is where you are. Enjoy it. Mr. Lucky.
Madam, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, my dear. Good afternoon. Hey, fine girl. You're very, very beautiful.
Thank you.
Amarichawa. Chai. You're very beautiful. Oh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, you bro.
Hey, sorry, your
Thank
baby.
you, thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you.
You're a nice person.
Oh, I'm always nice.
And your hair is fine.
Oh, thank you. What can I do now?
Hope your baby is kicking fine.
It's kicking, oh. It's
right.
kicking. Lucky. Say hello to me now. Are we quarreling? Eh? Greet me now. You see this your man, eh? He has eye for good things.
Honestly.
Hey.
Are you okay?
Hey. What is your name?
My name is Stella, ma.
Oh, Stella.
Yes,
hey.
Ma.
Fine girl with fine name. Please let me enjoy with you people.
Sure.
Waiter! Hey, please come on. Bring me 2,000 naira meat and then 1 bottle of malt. Mr. Lucky will pay. Let me enjoy with you people.
No problem.
I'll pay.
Hey, baby.
You will pay.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Don't mind. You know how men do. He know I'm pregnant. They will leave me at home and carry another woman and go out. Hey.
You mean your husband does that to you?
My dear, what can you say about men? You cannot trust them. They say men will stay your wife, and the ones they call lucky will put inside poto. Hey. Hey. Open it, my dear. No time. Are you sure this meat is up to 2,000 naira meat? Yes, very good. Chop meat.
Hey, no, you can enjoy.
Join me. I don't like eating alone.
Okay, if you
Join
insist.
me. Yes.
Thank you.
Life is good though. Give meat. Everybody with meat. Enjoy meat. There is no problem. We are in this together. We are in this together. Say it.
We are in this together.
Very good. Give me 5.
You're a nice person.
I'm nice,
funny
I'm
too.
Nice.
Your husband must be enjoying you. Babe, what's wrong? You're not smiling. What's happening?
My dear, eat meat. Leave meat. Leave lucky. You see this man here? He's my husband though.
Jesus.
What is it? Relax. Enjoy, Jerry. He's my husband. Don't worry. Eat meat. Enjoy. No problem. No issue. Oh.
I want to start going.
Go where? Sit down there. Eat meat. I said you should relax. Very good girl. Eat meat and enjoy.
No, let me lift two of you.
Eat meat. Did I fight you? Don't worry now. Don't worry. He likes to be, shooting any girl he sees. So no problem. Eat meat. No issue. Lucky. Oh, don't okay. You're very fine girl. Leave me at home. No problem.
You didn't tell me your wife was here.
How am I supposed to know?
Stop whispering. Enjoy meat.
I'm not eating again. You can.
Eat meat. Take meat and eat. Feed him as well. I'm the yanle. You are the side chick. No problem. I started. Hey. I think I've had enough.